minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a are the roots we have just now found out of that quadratic equation. If these roots be denoted by alpha and beta, I am denoting these roots by alpha and beta. Please note, I have not written alpha and beta respectively. So don't think this is alpha, that is beta. Anyone can be alpha, any other one can be beta. The purpose of not writing respectively here, I am telling you. If it is to be like that, plus 1 is always alpha and minus 1 is always beta, then I would have written respectively. I have not written respectively only because any one of the roots can be alpha and the other beta. Then let us find out the sum of the roots, alpha plus beta. Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a plus minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So alpha plus beta is equal to, this is a common denominator, I am joining the two fractions of common denominator. So clear, there is nothing to explain here. Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. By joining two fractions of common denominator, don't wrongly say I have taken LCM. I have not taken LCM. I have just joined two fractions of common denominator. Now this square root b square minus 4ac cancels this square root b square minus 4ac being in opposite signs. So minus 2b by 2a. Or minus b by a. So my first conclusion is sum of the roots, sum of these roots is minus b by a. I am writing in words, please see here. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Having considered sum of the roots, I am going to now consider product of the roots. See here, alpha into beta minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a multiplied by minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is in the form x plus y into x minus y, that is difference of two squares, minus b plus something minus b minus something. So this on multiplication gives you alpha beta is equal to x square minus y square. This is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Denominator 2a into 2a, 4a square. Proceeding, this is b square. After squaring, radical disappears. B square minus 4ac by 4a square. Continuing, alpha beta is equal to b square minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square. Please watch the work attentively and very closely. B square minus b square minus 4ac under root square gives this one. After opening the bracket, it becomes like that. And where b square is getting cancelled, leaving for you here 4ac by 4a square. Further it goes to c by a. So we have just now seen sum of the roots minus b by a, product of the roots c by a. I am writing now. The constant term c not containing x divided by the coefficient of x square. So our final conclusion now. Alpha and beta being the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Remember this forever. Throughout this chapter we shall be using this very frequently. Just one example of this one, please see here. Find without solving this equation the sum and the product of the roots. Please see here. We have 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. We are not going to solve this equation. They have asked not to solve. A is equal to 2. Please watch. With the compare with the standard form, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 5. So sum of the roots. Minus b by a. Product of the roots. C by a. C is 5, a is 2. 5 by 2. Similar things we are going to do a number of times in future in the further questions.